Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Windows 11 Pro step by step clearly. To activate Windows 11 Pro, first, click on the Start menu. Then, select the Settings option from the menu. In the Settings window, look for the System category. Click on System to expand the options. Next, locate and select the Activation option. In the Activation window, check your current activation status. If your copy is not activated, click on the Change Product Key link. You will need to enter your 25-character product key. Make sure to type it accurately, then click Next. Windows will now verify the product key you entered. If it's valid, you will see an activation confirmation screen. Click on Activate to complete the process. Wait a moment while Windows activates your copy. Once completed, you will see a message confirming your activation. You can close the Settings window after activation is successful. To ensure everything is set up correctly, restart your computer. After restarting, return to the activation settings to confirm your status. Your Windows 11 Pro is now fully activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.